medyo tayo kay kanina ako ang akala ko na
Kay attitude mo ka.
Well, actually. But anyway, you fight naman because you are about to be nakakatiis ka pa. Okay, candidate number 10. Are you ready for your final question and answer? Okay. Can you please repeat your number? Okay. You pick number 1.
Kaya na ba yun? Laban yun! Laban!
Okay. Judge number 1, Sheila May Sultan Amman.
Okay, before I'd like to raise my question, I'd like to congratulate you since you've come this far.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so my question goes like this. Are you in favor of divorce? Why or why not?
Uy! Kani, murag balami na yung section.
Well, I believe, ladies and gentlemen, divorce should be, I believe in divorce because I believe that through this we can have a formal relationship with each other. And I think through divorce, that's all.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 10. I guess you didn't have your answer already. Alright, now let's present candidate number 8. Okay, candidate number 8, how are you feeling tonight that since you've been this far?
Kind of unexpected because my answer came, I'm not satisfied with the answer, but I am really glad that I'm part qualified.
Alright, so candidate number 8, can you please repeat your number? You pick judge number 2, Ma'am Shane Desiree Lucas.
Hello, good evening, candidate number 8. Good evening. My question is, what is something that makes you unique and completely different from the rest of the ladies competing tonight? Again, what is something that makes you unique and completely different from the rest of the ladies competing tonight?
Okay, thank you for the question. Well, I believe that all of us here has different uniqueness and beauty, but what makes me stand out over all the candidates here is that my self-resilience, my confidence that I have right now. Because through this confidence that I have been right now, I'm able to represent myself here in the people of Barangay Laguna, and that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Okay, so ayan, isang paalala po sa ating lahat. As what I've explained a while ago, you are about to give your yells or pinipusagin right after, before the answering the question of our candidates. Okay, so I hope that is clear for everyone. Okay, now let's proceed candidate number 9. Okay, candidate number 9, how are you feeling tonight since you are winning the best in looking down?
I feel happy and I feel overwhelmed. Kaya unexpected po tayo na ma-appeal ko sa top 5 and then nadaog sa evening gown. That is all.
Alright, thank you so much, candidate number 9. Can you please repeat your number? You pick judge number 3, our chairman of the board of judges, Mr. Bernard J. Guzman.
Good evening.
Good evening po, sir. sir.
How are you?
I'm fine po.
Congratulations for getting this far.
Thank you po.
My question is this. What are you passionate about in your life? And how can that help not just your barangay, but the Philippines?
One more. One more.
I'll say it again. What are you passionate? What are you passionate about in your life? And how can that help not just your barangay, your Peru, but the Philippines?
I am compassionate about Pwede po again, can you please tell me the question again first po?
What are you passionate about? What are you passionate about in your life? And how can that help your Peru, your barangay, and the Philippines? Passion.
Passion.
I am passionate about sharing kindness po because I myself, I know that I try and I am kind to others. That is why I think that my passion about sharing kindness is it will help a lot of people because once they see that I am kind to others, then of course they would be inspired to be like me, to be kind also to others because I believe that kindness is very important because we don't know someone might be dealing with something. That is why I believe that a kind gesture can reach a wound that only a passionate heart can heal. That is all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9. And thank you so much, Sir Bernard. And let's moving on candidate number 6. Alright, candidate number 6, you look so gorgeous with your red gown tonight. How are you feeling that you made this far? Okay, so you are blessed that you are lucky tonight. Okay, candidate number 6, can you please repeat your number? Okay, you pick judge number 2. That is Ma'am Shane Desiree, guys.
Hello, candidate number 6. Yeah, I like your gown. Okay. My question is, what would your response be to a person who believes that pageants are not a good influence for young women? Again, what would your response be to a person who believes that pageants are not a good influence for young women?
So, thank you ma'am for the Ang masasabi ko lang po about sa mga tao nagsasabi na pageant ay hindi maganda sa mga kabataan na tulad namin teenager. Sana po ay mahanap niyo po ang sarili niyong confidence para makasali din kayo sa mga ganitong pageant. Kasi ang pageant ay hindi lang po about yan sa sinasabi ng ibang tao, about din yan sa suporta ng iyong pamilya at ng iyong confidence sa iyong sarili. I think.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. And now, let's moving on to the last candidate, candidate number 4. Alright, candidate number 4. Since you are best in half an hour tonight, how does it feel?
Unexpected po, wala ko expect na photogenic. Kami naghago sa photo.
Alright, so thank you so much. And we appreciate your honesty. Some of the candidates are very gorgeous. They're gorgeous also. But of course, there is one candidate who stand out, and that's you. Candidate number 4. Okay? Candidate number 4, can you please repeat your number? You being judge number 1, Ma'am Sheila May Sultan Amba.
Hello, candidate number 4. So I'd like to say that you're very beautiful
Thank you po.
and you're very humble. Congratulations that you've come this far also.
Thank you.
Okay, so my question goes like this. What would you choose to possess? Diploma or discarded?
Tatay, hugot pa na
Again,
ako.
what would you choose to possess? Diploma or discarded?
Discarded.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Para po sa akin, mas importante ngayon ang diploma. Kasi sa ating